Hi, I'm Laurie Hood. We're here today at the E.O. Wilson Biophilia Center, and we're with some incredible native species of Florida. I am holding the Indigo Snake, most commonly known as the Gopher Snake. The name came from the fact that these animals live in Gopher Tortoises' holes almost 60% of the time. So they're burrowed down underneath, and these tortoises are threatened due to all sorts of development around, so in turn these beautiful animals are threatened as well. So we're here with some other species.
All right, this is the red rat snake, also commonly known as the corn snake. It's a very common species in our area, one of our non-venomous, fairly docile species. There are arboreal snakes, meaning that they live mostly in trees, so you'll find them in pine woods and pine trees, and also in oak hammocks and oak trees. Ground dwellers as well. They are really good to have in your yard because their main diet are small rodents, rats and mice. So they're good to have around for rodent control.
This is a striped skunk. They are also ground dwellers. They will dig their own burrows as well as use the burrows of a gopher tortoise for protection, especially against wildfires and prescribed burns. They are omnivores, and they will seek out small insects and little critters in the underbrush to eat and maintain those small animal populations.
This is our gopher tortoise. It's a keystone species in the longleaf pine ecosystem. It protects up to over 300 species during either prescribed fires or harsh weather conditions in the panhandle here. And those animals can go in those burrows to protect themselves. And they also eat wiregrass, which is a very important plant in the longleaf pine ecosystem as well.
And here we have our great horned owl. This is going to be our top predator in the area with about a 4-foot wingspan, capable of eating many of the snakes and skunk that you already saw in this video. These guys are going to keep lots of other animal populations in check, ranging from rodents to reptiles.
I want to thank everybody here at E.O. Wilson Biophilia Center at Negussie Plantation. If you've never been here, it's in Walton County, somewhat close to Panama City. It is well worth the effort to get here. It is a gem in this state. And we're delighted to be collaborating with Negussie, Florida Wildlife Federation. And the Federation seeks to protect habitats and water resources so that we can continue to have the owls, the snakes, the gopher tortoises, and the rest of the wonderful species that are native to our state.